Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how to do permanent data storage with user defaults in your Swift project. Also, you need to know that always you can find link to the project source code in comments below. And yeah, we're going to start our new project. But before that, I'll show you, output will be something like this, that you will have one text field and one save. I'm going to add one load as well. So when you type everything here, for example, keep this str to save there, for example. And when I save it, so if I stop my app and reopen it, then you will see that yes, it kept that string, so it's not gonna go. It's something like cookie in web, so keep it there, then help you to save your setting. For example, you change language or whatever, you can save, app will save it automatically, and when you load, it will be load with the last setting you did. So this is very useful feature that you can use it in your apps. So let me close this one, and then I'll start my new project. So file, new project, single view app. It will be iOS Swift user defaults storage 01, and I say next, then create. Then we will go to main storyboard. In main storyboard, yes, it exists. Yeah, gonna replace it for me. So in main storyboard, we need to add one text field. Actually, add one extra label as well to make it better. In better look. So yeah, let me add one label first. Yes, I put a label here. In this label, I just say user defaults sample, and I make color dark blue, and I make font something between 20 and 30. Okay, I make it to be center, and yeah, that's it. Just I need to make sure that keep same width and height for that with adding two constraints. And also we need one text field. Yeah, I use my text field to be same wide as my label. And yeah, I'm gonna make it to keep width and height. Okay, then we need one button. This button, I'm gonna place it here. So this button will be load, and I give it background, light blue background, for example. Also I add two constraints to keep it size. Then I command C and then command V to make a copy of that. Let me choose it, command C and command V. So put that one here. This one I name it save. Save. Okay, and just change background to some different color, pink for example. Okay, so the only concern we have now to keep these in same position as they are. So what I do, I choose this one and then keep push command and the other button, and I make them, I go to editor, embed in stack view. Okay, so these two will stick to each other, and just in stack view I can say yes, add 10 space between them. Okay, and do I make this? No, it's not. Okay, so now I select stack view, command text field, and my label, again editor, and I make them embed in stack view. So this time gonna be, that one was vertically stacked actually, and this one was vertical, that one was horizontal. Okay, so now I just need to say hold this stack view, keep it for me center in both sides, vertical and horizontal. So if I go to, for example, landscape view, still this will be in same format it is now. Just for this stack view, I just let me add some space between all of them, 15, yeah, to make it a little bit wider. Okay, so we made our user interface. Now we need to make our code. Usually in usual way we go with assistant editor and connect it, but this time I want to do it a little bit different, to have more fun, also to learn some code. So we say add IB outlet, weak variable, we name it text field, from type of UI text field. You may say, what is this? UI text field. Also, we're gonna add another connection. Yeah, let's see if we need another connection. No, we just need to action. Okay, so I remove this did receive memory warning for now. We don't need that. So now I made a function. So actually I need to make two functions. So I say add IB action, and the function we name it save act. This will be underline sender, type any, Also we need another function at IP action function load act, again underline, sender type any. Okay, so what to need to do now? So the only things that we need to do for save, when we say okay, say let text field, we just created here, so let text field, I'm waiting for Xcode to offer me. It's not, I don't know why, but it's not good sign. Okay, text field dot text equal, yeah, text field, yes, now, okay, I know. Here it should say value will be equal with, now it will help me, text field dot text, and now I use my user default, so user defaults dot standard dot set, and instead I just say text field val and forKey. Okay, so this key is important because we're gonna write here in this key and we're gonna load from this key. So we say for this key, so I just say text field. Okay, and yeah, this is the save action for load. We just say let text field load val equal what? Equal user defaults dot standard dot string forKey, same should be text field. Otherwise you can say no saved value. And then you say text field, yeah, text field dot text equal text field load value. Yeah, So I'm going to save this. So in view did load, I do nothing this time because with load I'm gonna do that. So I just want to give opportunity to do it with button. So but it's not working yet because we need to connect these to our user interface. And you may say how? Yes, let's do it. So, we do it in the other way now as new way. So we will go to main storyboard. You can select your view controller. You can either use this connections inspector tab with to doing this, or you can come here and right click, so you run control click. So then you will have this one. So from save, you just drag from here, go to save, and so I say touch down, and for load from here, go here and again touch down. And we have one outlet which is our text field, so we drag it to our text field. So yes, and now we have our app fully ready. So let me run it to see if it's work fine or not. So just in this opportunity, let's review what we do. In Swift we have we got one error. So user defaults says that user defaults is yes, we miss one S here. So let's run it again. So again, I have a problem with indexing. So I can go to debug or product and clean. Let me try build. And there's no stop. So yes, let's we have to close it again. So file, you know what, stop indexing. Okay, so I'll come here in Xcode, right click and say quit. Set tasks is running, stop it, yes. Again, this time quit. Quit. Force quit. Okay, so I run it again. I keep these errors, this bugs or all of this in video to give you idea, when you face to something like this, how you can fix it, because always everything is not very good. So sometimes there are some unexpected issue. So as you saw, I had to forcefully close my Xcode because of indexing. It's just app stay in index forever, so we have to close Xcode and reopen it and see if it's working with that or not. Yes, my simulator is okay. Yes, now it's loaded, so just let me see. Yes, the defaults, it's okay, so I come here and run it this time, so it should start the building. So yes, just reviewing, so we connect to our text field in your main storyboard, and we had two buttons, so we connect two buttons to these IB actions, so that when we tap on them, gonna trigger this save and load. So load will look at our user defaults data standard string with key text field. If find anything, put it in the text field here. If not, put no saved value here. So we will see if anything saved or not. And for save, you just type whatever you want in text field and pick up that one, and with user default standards.set you can save it over any key you like. So build succeeded, good sign. I love this message. And yeah, let's go to simulator because now it's time to running app over simulator. So here you will see it's running. You will see blank screen is our launch screen, and then after a few seconds it will go to main storyboard. There is coming a new tutorial about the iOS app lifecycle. I advise you to be subscribed to get that app, that's a tutorial. Yes, because it was first time I think I got errors, so I have to stop this or wait for error to show up because I forcibly closed that. Simulator couldn't figure out that happened, so I rerun it. Okay, so yes, I was telling you that yes, if you being subscribed, a new video that coming about the live iOS app life cycle, you can watch it, and it's really useful for you to give idea that how gonna be one app running and steps for running that app. So yes, we are waiting for main storyboard to be loaded, and then we can start our test over this app. Yes, here you go. So we have it here. So I say load, no saved value. Yes, that's correct. Because it's the first time I'm running this app. So I'll come here, I delete this, and I say save some string, and I tap on save. So it's gonna save it there. I'm gonna delete this, and I say load. Yes, save some string. But it's not end of the story. We can do this with whatever other storage. But what I'm gonna do this time, I'm gonna stop this app. So when I stop it, it will close this app there, and when I run it again, and I use load, you will see saved some string. So this means that even if you close your app completely and open it again, still you have this value. This is very useful for you're keep your app setting to user do whatever and going out, when come back just continue, don't have to go and start from beginning some setting, for example. Yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to be subscribed to receive these kind of videos every day. And thank you for watching us. If any question, please ask in comment below. I will be more than happy to help, and I wish the best for you and have a good one.